didn't want to record that. Hey, jerk face. You guys, I came out here because I saw from my bedroom window that Rapunzel, our pony, was running laps around the backyard like crazy, like with all this energy that she doesn't normally have. And so I looked out the window. Look at, she ran all along the berm, putting big holes because it's raining. She put all these big holes in the ground from running up here, and she was doing all these laps like a crazy horse. And then I realized why. It's because Creeper's out. Look at Creeper's out. He's had his head hanging over the fence, and Rapunzel's been running around like showing off for him. Totally flirting. Look, she's not acknowledging him right now. She's playing hard to get, but she likes him. She found a friend. Look at, there's Creeper. Oh, he's not being so shy right now since she's out. Rapunzel, did you find a friend? Did you make friends with Creeper? The Creeper neighbor. But seriously, I wish I had the camera out when she was running laps in the rain, showing off for Creeper. Do you hear the cow? Creeper has a cow over there with him. There you are, Creeper. Hi. Oh, Rapunzel. Do you have a boyfriend? Hey, wet pony. Do you have a boyfriend? Dang, he's letting me get close. Hey, buddy. Hi, Creeper. I wonder what your real name actually is. Hi. What's your real name? I call you Creeper because you stick your head over my fence all the time, but what's your name? Come back. Hi, handsome. Do you like Rapunzel? Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Can I pet you? Nope. I stick my hand out to touch him and he goes away. You know you have hay over there. Look at all this mud. Good morning, Penelope. What do you think about all of this mud? You're probably gonna have a field day with it, huh? Ugh, gross. Ducks are gonna love it because they can go swim. Come on, guys. Come on, girls, let's go. You're just gonna sit there? Here's how flooded our front yard is. Oh my gosh. You might have to go through the passenger side. That's not gonna...
Yep, it went through.
Do you need new boots?
No.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Hi, Penelope. Well, Mikayla and I mowed the batting cage over the weekend, thinking that it would be nice so then the boys can come out and use the batting cage since the weather's cooler, right? So we lifted up the cage, the sides, and then I mowed, and I had Mikayla holding up the parts of the batting cage that still hit the ground, like over here. And so she was holding it up for me so I could mow along the edge, and a lever was sticking out from the side of the lawnmower, and it got caught in the net, and it started to pull the net with it. And so I stopped real quick because I heard Mikayla screaming. I stopped the lawnmower, and then she was saying her finger, and so I put it in reverse to like leave slack in the net so she could get her finger out. But when she was holding the cage up for me like this, and the net got caught in part of the mower that was sticking out, the lever that was sticking out, it dragged it, and her finger got caught, and it scraped off a chunk of her skin on her finger. So I'm going to show you guys a photo of that. And so just heads up, it's graphic, and so if you don't want to see it, you might want to skip through this section of the video because it is pretty nasty what happened to her finger because of this batting cage. We went to urgent care and they had to patch her up a little bit, and so we now call her Frankenfinger. Alright, there's her nasty finger. That's what the batting cage did to her finger. When it got caught in the net totally just scraped back all of that skin, and her fingers were so swollen and all bruised up. And we went to urgent care, and instead of them cutting off that skin, they just cleaned the wound, cleaned up all the blood, and then they pulled the skin back and put it back in place. And then they put like some liquid bandage type stuff on there to keep it there, and some like other bandages over it, and it just looked like, we call her Frankenfinger because it just looked like they just like put her finger skin back together in some disgusting way, and then put ointment and gauze on it and gave her a finger splint so she keeps it straight so it can heal. I'll show you her finger when she gets home from school. It's still pretty gross. So that was our batting cage nightmare over the weekend that we spent a few hours in urgent care for. But it's mowed, and now the boys can't play in it yet because it's flooded from the rain. The sun decided to come out though. Someone's having fun. There's lots of puddles. I know, watch out. Look at the hail. Look how much water is running off of my roof. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so flooded. Don't let the dogs out. Our front patio is so flooded. Oh no. Even get out to our car. Oh, it just hit me in the head. Oh my gosh, that hurt. You guys, it is hailing so bad that it looks like Christmas at my house. Look at all of this hail. Holy hail. Can I go inside? No, stay here. It's really muddy too. This is insane. This has never happened in all the time I've lived in the Phoenix area. We've had hail before, but never this much hail that it looks like it just snows. Well, there goes the garden. It's the morning after that crazy hailstorm last night. Everything's dried up, back to normal. All right, let's see how your finger's feeling up.
It's disgusting.
I can't see it. Hold it up higher. Oh man. Hold on.
I changed it just a little bit ago.
That's pretty. Or the little bandages that they put on. Hold on, don't move. Stay real still. Right there, right there, right there.
Don't touch my finger.
No, I'm good. I don't want to touch your finger at all. Well, it's healing. It just looks really
disgusting.
Disgusting. Oh gosh. Does it feel better?
It actually does. Yeah. I slept with it like this without the blue thing on last night and it worked.
Crazy, crazy. Want to go play in the batting cage?
No.
You don't want to go play baseball?
I mean, I'll go, but I don't want to mow it anymore.
No, we're not mowing it. I said, do you want to go play in the batting cage?
Sure.
I think it's dirty enough that we need
Grab the other one.
Creeper likes you.